Welcome to Subhar's grammar class. Today we are going to study about case forms of nouns. That means nouns of case forms. What is meant by case? What does case mean? Case indicates the relation of a noun or a pronoun to the other words in a sentence. Once again, what is meant by case? Case indicates the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to the other words in the sentence. Let's begin with nominative case. Nominative case, otherwise called subjective case. Imagine that a few sentences are given to you. What I have you to do is to find out the part of speech of the subject of each sentence. If you find a noun or a pronoun as subject, it is said to be in nominative case or subjective case. I shall repeat. You are given a sentence. You checked that the subject of the sentence and found it a noun or a pronoun. Then you could say that the noun or pronoun is in nominative case or subjective case. Got it? I shall repeat once again. Imagine that a few sentences are given to you, and all you have to do is to find out the part of speech of the subject of each sentence. If you find a noun or a pronoun as subject, you could say the noun is or the pronoun is in nominative case or subjective case. I hope all of you got it, and it will be clear through a few examples. Look at these sentences. Birds fly in the sky. So which is the subject of this sentence? Birds. You know it's a noun. So in this sentence, the subject is a noun. If the subject is a noun, it is said to be in, yes, the nominative case or subjective case. Look at the second sentence. Trees give shade. In this sentence, trees is the subject and it's a noun. So it is said to be in nominative case. The third one, man is a social animal. Man is the subject and it's a noun, so it is in nominative case. It's expensive. It is a pronoun that we will study later. Pronouns we will study later. For the time being, just understand that it's a pronoun. So it is expensive. It is a pronoun and it is used as the subject. So it is in nominative case. She enjoys the holidays. She is a pronoun. It comes as the subject. So it is in nominative case. So look at these sentences. First one, subject birds. Second, trees. Third, man. Fourth one, it. And the last one, she. All these nouns and pronouns are used in the nominative forms, or we can say subjective forms. Got it? Next comes accusative case or objective case. If you find a noun or a pronoun as object of a sentence, that noun or pronoun is in accusative case or objective case. Let me repeat. If you find a noun or a pronoun as object of a sentence, that noun or pronoun is in accusative case or objective case. Earlier we studied nominative case, that is, if the subject of a sentence is a noun or pronoun, it is in nominative or subjective case. Here, if the object of a sentence is a noun or pronoun, we call it accusative case or objective case. Here are a few examples, and it will make this accusative case clearer to you. Look at the first example. I invited Alex. In this sentence, Alex is the object, and you know it's a noun, so it is in objective case or accusative case. Next sentence, they advised him. Him is the object of this sentence and him is a pronoun. So it is an accusative case or objective case. The cat killed the mouse. Here the mouse is the object, the mouse is a noun, so it is an accusative or objective case. They did not trust me. They didn't trust me. Me is the object and it's a pronoun. So it is an accusative case or objective case? I need it. It is the object and it is a pronoun. So it is an objective or accusative case. Look at the last sentence. They visited Agra. Agra is a noun and that noun is used as the object of this sentence. So it is said to be in accusative case or objective case. So look at the objects: Alex, him, mouse, me, it, and Agra. All these nouns and the pronouns are in accusative case. Here comes the third, dative case. Dative case. The host gave me food. Gave me food. Gave what? Food. Gave to whom? Me. So this sentence has two objects. Me and food are the objects of this sentence. In such cases, we give them separate names. The object which is the answer to what, answer to the question what, is called a direct object, and answer to whom or for whom is called indirect object. If so, in the above sentence, food is the direct object and me is the indirect object. Now we can go back to the third case, that is dative case. If the indirect object of a sentence is a noun or a pronoun, it is said to be in dative case. Once again, you know the difference between direct and indirect object. If the indirect object of a sentence is a noun or pronoun, it is said to be in dative case. I hope you followed it. Look at the first sentence. He told me a story. Told what? A story. That is the direct object. Me is the indirect object. Told to whom? Me. And me is a pronoun. So it is said to be in objective case or accusative case. Second sentence. The teacher teaches us physics. Teaches what? Physics. Physics is the direct object and us is indirect object. So us is in accusative case or objective case. He gave the beggar 10 rupees. Gave what? 10 rupees. To whom? The beggar. So the beggar is the indirect object. It is an objective case or accusative case. Trees give us shade. Give what? Shade. To whom? Us. So shade is the direct object and us is the indirect object. And you know, if the indirect object of a sentence is a noun or a pronoun, it is said to be in accusative case or objective case. I hope all of you got it. Here comes the last one, vocative case. So what is vocative case? A noun which serves the function of addressing someone is said to be in vocative case. Once again, a noun which serves the function of addressing someone is said to be in vocative case. And I shall make it clearer to you with the help of a few examples. Here are the examples. Rajesh, bring your notebook here. So Rajesh, that noun, does the function of addressing. So it is said to be in vocative case. Students, get ready for the test. Students, that noun serves the function of addressing. So it is said to be in vocative case. And the last sentence, friends, I need your help. Friends, that noun serves the function of addressing. Hence, it can be called vocative case. So, the noun serving the function of addressing, such as Rajesh, students, and friends, are all in vocative case. I hope all of you got it. Here is one more. Genitive case. Nouns and pronouns in possessive forms are said to be in genitive case. So all nouns and pronouns in possessive forms are in genitive case. Now look at the example. Radha style. children's park, cow's milk, Prime Minister's fund. So Radha's, children's, cows, and Prime Ministers. These are all examples of genetic case. So that's all about cases. Let's meet in the next class with another part of noun. Till then, bye.